Log x to the base a, base 4 is a, log x to the base 25 is b, then log 10 to the base x is. We know log x to the base 4 is a, log x to the base 25. So this links 5 and x, this links 2 and x. If I know log x to the base 4, I know log 4 to the base x. I can know log 2 to the base x, log x to the base 2, all that I can find. This links 5 and x. Log 10 to the base x is log 5 to the base x plus log 2 to the base x. So somehow I have to find log 2 to the base x from this, log 5 to the base x from this, and then add those two to find log 10 to the base x. So log 4 to the base x is a, log x to the base, the other way around. Log x to the base 4 is a, log 4 to the base x is 1 by a. 2 log 2 to the base x is 1 by a. Log 2 to the base x is 1 by 2a. Exact same funda. Log 5 square to the base x is 1 by b. Log 5 to the base x is 1 by 2b. What we are looking for is log 2 to the base x plus log 5 to the base x. So the answer should be 1 by 2a plus 1 by 2b. LCM is 2ab, b by 2ab plus a by 2ab, a plus b by 2ab.